Hello there YouTubers. Yeah, today is the 18th of February 22. Met Office has issued a red warning for wind, gusts up to 80 mile per hour I think it is. Schools have been cancelled, outpatient appointments at the hospital have been cancelled. Got a big wide field just in front of me, and I've got the Southern Cross 1 here, labelled as a 4-season tent. Let's see how it handles the wind. And you know what, it's going to keep you safe from the elements. It's nice and warm in here. There's a little buckle here you can put together. Right, yeah, final conclusion then about how it performed in the wind. The Terra Nova Southern Cross 1, I think, yeah, it's pretty robust, sturdy tent. When I was pitching it, I was a bit worried about the little clips on the fly sheet tearing off when I was connecting it onto the red pole, but yeah, it stood up all right. The blue pole has actually bent a little bit though. Let me show you. You can see, look at these bends in it. So I'll definitely be in touch with Terra Nova about that. Overall, yeah, besides that blue pole, seems all right. I'll be keen to get some input from people who have other similar 4-season tents. Well, not similar, but I'd be keen to get some feedback from, say, the Hilleberg Acto, how that performs in like same conditions, sort of average 20 mile per hour up to 40 mile per hour gusts kind of thing. So overall, yeah, I think time will tell.